Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cut bangs on curly hair. The only thing you'll need for this tutorial is a pair of shears and dry curly hair. Let's get started. To begin, I start to separate my hair from one arch of the brow to the other arch of the brow. And then I perform a check to make sure that I'm going to get the length that I desire. The section for my bangs is a triangular section. I do not take that section too far back. The further back I go, the thicker my bangs will be. I do not use any combs when doing this because I want to make sure that my hair can fall naturally. Before I make my first cut, I've already predetermined that I will not take my bangs any shorter than the tip of my nose to start. I allow my hair to fall naturally, which means that I give it a little bit of room before I start making that first cut, so that way I can account for shrinkage. I make sure that I bring the section towards the middle, so I merge it all together. This allows me to get that concave shape around my face. Concave just means that the middle is going to be the shortest and the sides, the outsides, will be the longest. It creates a really nice silhouette around your face. As I continue, I make sure to account for shrinkage. I cut a little bit at a time. You cannot add hair back, so it's best to cut about 3/4 of an inch or even half of an inch at a time to just make sure that you're not going to take your bangs too short. I've determined that this length is probably just right for now. I know that my hair is going to shrink a whole lot more once I wash it again and add more product. So I decide to stop here and go ahead and drop down my top section and use the underneath as a guide. Once I trim the top section to meet the guide from underneath, it's all about blending. I start to blend my bangs into my face frame. When starting my face frame, I cut curl by curl. The basic steps are to cut from A to B. I begin at the corner of my bangs, and I start to angle my shears down. Each curl should get a little bit longer, going down towards my perimeter. I then decide to do my final check, so I'm going to pull all my hair back away from my face, excluding the bangs and the front face frame. By pulling my hair back away from my face, it allows me to see if there's any curls that are hiding. I fluff my curls just a bit to make sure that I've gotten the length that I desire. I start detailing, still connecting from A to B, ensuring that it's going to create the best shape around my face. I continue to detail curl by curl. I leave my bangs a lot longer than what you would expect, accounting for shrinkage once I do my usual wash and go routine. I continue double checking just by moving my hair around, allowing the curls to fall in different ways around my face, and I determine that this is the perfect length for me. After I've washed and styled my hair, these are my results. I am so happy with how this turned out. I did my usual wash and go routine that I'll be filming in the future, and my curls just curled up the way they naturally do, and I didn't have to take any more hair off. It ended up being perfect. It's so important to make sure that you leave that length a little bit longer. If you cut it too short while that hair is dry, before you've washed it and added conditioner, it is so easy for those bangs to get too short. You can actually see how my curls have started to separate some and fall naturally, and you can see how my new bangs and face frame shape around my face. If you like the hair color that you see in this video, you can see how I did it in my previous tutorial. I took my hair from black to these results in just one step. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at HeyWittyWit.